Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin a video on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin a video on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available. First let's tap on that and let's go to our profile section where you will be able to view all of your videos on TikTok. Now in order to pin a video on TikTok, let's open up a video. And from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon. Here you can see guys three lines of options, and at the bottom line, there you can see there is the save video and the pin option available for us. Now in order to pin that video which you want to pin on TikTok, tap on the pin option, and you can see guys it says pin to the top of your profile, and there guys the pin option is also available for us. And there guys, this is how to pin a video on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.